Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change price position in simple product page above add to cart button in single page in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is a simple product and we are going to change price location above add to cart in single product page. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, scroll down, you can add title, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So this code only run for simple product. Now scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to single product page and refresh the page. Now you see price location position and then you see price position move above add to cart button. Now you see. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.